So what we have here is a 42-inch Hunter low profile in provincial gold. It is in the blue room at my grandma's house. It was put up last year to replace a 36-inch unknown ceiling fan. It's not very well, and we had a hard time mounting it. So anyway, it's got walnut blades on this side, and it's got Eurasian wood on this side. And let me get down off this bed here without further ado, I will now demonstrate it for you. We'll begin with the light. Using 3 LED bulbs. And here's low. Focus camera. Focus camera. This one, since it didn't get ran on high for a long time, the spin down is kind of on the short side. So we're gonna... I think I'll have enough time for one more demonstration. Okay, that's finally sped up. Let's do the light now. Here, now for medium. I have it on. Again, I'm already starting to feel a breeze. So this ceiling fan is really nice. Alright, so that's your medium speed we got here. Let's turn on the light while it's on medium. Now for high speed. Here's high speed. Here's the high speed. It is really fast. It's really powerful. It doesn't actually wobble at all in forward. It does wobble a little bit in reverse. But nevertheless, you guessed it, it's pushing out a ton of air. It's pushing out a ton of air. It's air, so I'm not going to give you a top shot. So we'll go ahead and do light while it's on high here. Anyways, we'll give you guys an airflow. And we'll do the spin down. Like I said, this spin down's kind of on the short side. This spin down's kind of on the short side, what you see. The other 2019 installed low profile, the other one that was installed last year to replace the aileron spinner, has a longer spin down. Alright, that's it for this one. This is one of the 42-inch Hunter low profiles at my grandma's house. Thanks for watching and peace out.